Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to discuss how you can collaborate in real time with members of your team. Now one of the things that Evernote actually gives you is something called Work Chat. Work Chat is available in the web app or the browser, and all you've got to do is click this Work Chat button, click this Start a Chat, and then you can actually write in the individual's name. Now, if that individual's name is on your team, they will be available in this area. If you're using the desktop app, what you'll need to do is to go to the File command, then you'll need to open up a new chat, and then you'll need to write in the name in this area. The same is going to be true inside of your mobile device. In order to access Work Chat, you are going to need to go to your Account button, and then you're going to need to click the Work Chat, and then you can start a new Work Chat by clicking this plus sign, and then you're going to click Let's Do It. Now, Evernote will allow you to start this conversation with people outside of Evernote. But in this particular case, we're looking to collaborate with people who are already on our team. So in this case, we are just going to write in the name of our teammate, and you'll see then that there is the chat that appears also in the web app as well as on your desktop. And when the message is sent, it can be seen in the work chat area for the sender. There will be a notification in the sidebar for the receiver, who can then answer right back. Now, any sharing that takes place in the chat will actually be done from the actual note or notebook. So for example, if you're looking at the web application, there is no way to send files. Now you can send links inside of a work chat, but for the most part, if you're going to want to send something from inside of Evernote, you'll go to that source and then send to this individual. So in other words, I'd come back to either an article, and then I can actually send this note. I'm going to send this again to this individual with the parameters that I set. Or I can really share the entire notebook once I set the parameters. And what happens is that all of this is really happening in real time, whether or not the receiver or the sender is going to be on their desktop using the web app or their mobile device. And you can see here that the updates are going to be instantaneous. So if you want to collaborate in real time and you want to have conversation with the other individuals in your team and use the shared workspace inside of Evernote, you'll want to use the Work Chat feature. Now this feature is available not only to those in the business level of Evernote, but also in the free version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.